so AD's not far off from work. I've got milk carton and some sticky tape, and I'm going to tape the milk carton to the fridge, so when he gets home, Mum's going to tell him to go get dinner from the fridge, pull it open, milk everywhere. Lid's just sitting on it, tape's there, booby trap, not going to be able to see it, fridge done like that. Not going to suspect a thing.
What the fuck? Ah, he's fucking back. Sharon, what the fuck's the go with this? Where's fucking Mitchell? Well, I can tell you now, if that's one of his little fucking booby traps, he's fucking fixing it. I can fucking see you fucking. You fucking dickhead! I'm gonna fucking throw it, I'm telling you. Give it. If you think I'm gonna fucking come home to booby traps every fucking night too, Mitchell, I'm telling you, piss off. Sharon, you're a fucking piece of dad. You knew. You fucking knew.
Alright, now you're milking the whole back thing.